Shahid Imdad is among the 3 martyrs who sacrificed their lives in a clash with a terrorist near the Pak Afghan border in North Waziristan on the 1st of May. Our correspondent Anwar reports from Lakki Marwat.
The son of the nation, Imdadullah is included in those martyrs who sacrificed his life for the nation and motherland. Imdadullah was martyred during clash with terrorists on Pak Afghan border few days ago. Imdadullah belonged to the Masha Mansoor village, a remote area of Lakki Marwat district. Sipahi Imdadullah is survived by his old parents, a widow, 3 brothers, 3 sisters and 2 little daughters. The sick and old father is the sorrow of the death of his son, but he is proud of his son for sacrificing his life for the country and getting martyrdom. Sipahi Imdadullah was laid to rest in his native village Masha Mansoor with full military honors. His funeral prayer was attended by a large number of area people and Pak Army officials.
Imdadullah जब उन्होंने शहादत नोश हासिल की है शिमाली वज़ीरिस्तान में, ये मेरा करीबी दोस्त भी था. अभी 4-5 दिन पहले वो आया था गांव में. मैं उस पे बहुत फख्र महसूस करता हूँ कि बीइंग वो पाक आर्मी में और उन्होंने अपने वतन पे अपनी जान कुर्बान दे दी है.
मेरा नाम इमरानुल्लाह है और ये मेरा भाई था इमदादुल्लाह. जैसे वो के मुल्क का सिपाही था और उसने मुल्क के साथ मोहब्बत का जिंदा सबूत दे दिया कि उसने दुश्मन का मुकाबला किया. और
Imdadullah gave supreme sacrifice for defending the motherland and the whole nation paid tribute to him. Anwar Marwat, PTV World News, Lakki Marwat.
In occupied Kashmir, people overwhelmingly voted for